Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Esra. Today I wanted to show you how I made a little makeover in the bathroom. But before that, I wanted to tell you something about us. We are renting this apartment, so we cannot change a lot of things. But what I can do is in this apartment, I can make it feel like it's my own place. And one of the things in this place bothered me was the bathroom. If you're a renter or you want to make a little changes in your bathroom, you might find this video helpful and I hope it can inspire you. So let's start. So one of the biggest issues in my bathroom was the darkness. Because there's no window in my bathroom and the lights are so dim. It was showing my bathroom very dark. So the first thing I did was changing the light bulbs. I am a renter, so I prefer to save money. I use LED light bulbs from Dollar Tree. Even just changing light bulbs in my bathroom, it looks a lot brighter. Later in the video, I'm going to change the shower curtains too. It will make the room a lot brighter. But before I do that, I want to show you how I solved my clutter issue in my bathtub. There was a big clutter in my bathtub because I had to put shampoos on the floor. I didn't get a shower caddy, but getting a shower caddy was not enough to solve my issue. First, my shower head is not straight to hang a shower caddy. Trust me, I tried it before and it didn't work out. Second, my shower rod is curved and it doesn't seem too strong to hold our stuff. So, to solve this issue, I added another shower rod that I had it from my previous apartment. And then I got this shower caddy. I got this shower caddy from Target, in case you wonder where I got it from. And I hung it on the rod. I believe it cost around $20. Then I put our shampoos and shower gels from the bathtub on the shower caddy. It's a perfect solution. Removing shampoos from the bath floor makes everything easier. It's easier to clean bathtub now. And since shower caddy is way further than shower head, it keeps our shampoos in better condition because water doesn't get inside them anymore. Then, like I mentioned in my video before, I changed my shower curtain. You know, the lighter colors will show any room bigger than they are. Since I saw the shower curtain in Target, I wanted to make a little makeover in my bathroom. I purchased it as $7.49. The old shower curtain was showing the bathroom a little darker. Lighter colors will show any room bigger than they are. Since we are renting, I cannot change the colors of my walls. If you ever lived or still living in a rental apartment, you know the downsides. You cannot change the exterior or interior features. I mean, you shouldn't even try to change because you should keep the money for yourself. But what you can do is you can add some elements that will make you feel like it's your own place. I always wanted to have a wall art, especially antique, vintage looking frames. You can find the frames like these in Goodwill, but the problem with them are they are heavy. You have to nail them on the wall, but I don't want to put any nails on my wall. However, I found some frames from Dollar Tree. Especially these two canvas pictures are my favorite, and they go along with the frames and also with my theme. To decide where each frame will be on my wall, first I used adhesive putty. I don't recommend this for heavy frames. Even with my non-heavy frames, I didn't hold more than 5 minutes. After I decided where the frames will be on my wall, I took a picture of them with my phone for reference. Also, I want to mention that Dollar Tree frames are very fragile, so before you use in any of your project, I recommend you to use hot glue for the corners of the frames because they are very fragile and they can fall apart. I did use hot glue for each corner of the frames, and I removed the glass from them because I didn't need them. And I hot glued hanging pieces directly to the back of each frames. I used adhesive hooks from the Dollar Tree to hang them. My husband helped me here because he's taller than me. Next up is my vanity. I don't have a lot of space on my vanity, but I still like bathroom decorations. First, I wanted my cotton pads on my vanity. So I got this jar from Dollar Tree. It has a sealed lid. I just removed the silicone rim from the lid so I can easily remove the lid. To make it more fancy, I used this candle holder from Dollar Tree. But first I used Rust-Oleum frosted glass to give frosted effect. Then I used the candle holder as an elevation for my cotton pads holder. I use a 6000 to stick jar to the candle holder. Sometimes you need to shop around your house. Maybe an item will not work out in one of the places, but it's going to work in your bathroom. Like I use this bottle in the bathroom. I was keeping this. And I have a thing for frosted decors. I put it just behind the cotton jar. Later, I'm going to add some flowers to that. When I found this frosted soap dispenser in Marshall's, I got really happy because it's perfect for my theme. And it was only $5 and it came with the soap inside. And it smells good. For the left side of the vanity, I added another bottle. This time, I put something colorful. I put another jar for my toothbrushes. And that's from Dollar Tree too. We also use mouthwash every day, but that big bottle, it was an eyesore. So I grabbed this bottle from Dollar Tree and I used some spray to make it frosty again. Later I added this jute and then I added my mouthwash inside it. I saw this in Pinterest. And I added these flowers to both of the bottles. I didn't want to overcrowd my vanity further than this, so I got this 2-tier tray from Value Village. It looks really interesting. I was so surprised that I found it, and it was only $3. You can never know what you can find in thrift stores. That's the beauty of it. I put this on top of the toilet tank, and I put the diffuser that was already on my vanity before. And I also put one of the perfumes that I want to use for the month March. And then I added my travel size makeup remover, foaming soap, and my moisturizer that I started to use recently. Then I added my small candle. Next one is my waste basket. You really do not need to spend a lot of money for a waste basket. You're just going to put waste inside it. So I turned my old waste basket one into a fancy one. And that's from Dollar Tree. And I just spray painted it with Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Color Gold. My waste basket doesn't look cheap anymore, although it is. And the last thing that I added to our bathroom are these crochet bath rugs from Marshall's. I paid $19.99 for these. And I think it goes well with their theme in my bathroom right now. Alright, that's it. That's how I changed my bathroom, and I only spent $68. Let me know which change was your favorite in my bathroom. If you like this video, please do not forget to give thumbs up, and I'm doing shopping hauls, DIYs and videos like this on my channel. If you're interested in these things, you're welcome to my channel. You can subscribe to me. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.